What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius with Exclusive, back at it with another one, man. Let me put my seatbelt on. I think it'll beat me to death. Alright, things off now. Anyway, I'm back at it with another one, man. And I am here inside of Project F150, man. The Beast. And I told you guys that F150 has an AKA. And I wasn't able to tell you what the AKA was because sorry, motorcycle just went by doing a wheelie. But yeah, I wasn't able to tell you what the AKA was because it was missing a little something, a little pinch. And I went ahead and I finally got that in. And I'm excited to tell you guys what I call Project F150. And let's get to it, man. I call Project F150 AKA Project Jason. Check it out. So there you have it, man. Project Jason, man. I've been calling this truck Jason for a minute. I tear this truck up, man. I fell in love with the F-150 Raptor when it first came out. And I drive this FX4 like it's a Raptor. And I honestly would tell you this truck doesn't die. And I hope I don't bite my words now that I say that. I mean, it does have 205,000 miles on it. I know dying will come soon, but it hasn't died yet. Even when I think it's dead, this thing keeps going. So that's why I call it Jason, because Jason never dies. He might be dead in the last movie, but I promise you he'll come back some kind of way. So Project Jason, man. I have jumped this thing, broken the sway bars, the sway bar end links. I just took them off. I have flooded this thing, had water all in the engine. It wouldn't do over 30 for like a week until I did the oil change, took out the intake, got all the water out. But the fact that it didn't seize up, the only time it even came close to dying on me is my alternator died. And it still went all the way home, lights fading, everything turning off, nothing's working, got all the way home, parked it, and that's when it died. And you know, alternator's an alternator, 200 and some thousand miles, you expect stuff like that. So Project Jason, man, this thing is a beast, man. Does not stop. It may be slow, it may be a lot of things, it may need a lot of things to be fixed, but it keeps going. So Project Jason, man, I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think. The mask, I love the mask, man. You get all types of reactions from the mask. People see it, especially when I can open the windows from my remote. I love going to a parking lot and just opening the windows when somebody parks and they see it. It freaks them out, man. Red lights, somebody will be texting, when they look up, they see the mask. You'll hear people scream all the time, and I love the reactions I get from the mask, man. It's crazy what a little 50-cent thing will do and how many people actually look at it. I've had nicer things done to plenty of cars, and I will say I get the most questions about Jason. So that's it, man. That's it for this video. Real quick, Project F150 AKA Jason. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. But we got some traffic to drive in, and I'm gonna pay attention to the road and not to this video because I'm new to this and I'm not good at multitasking yet, man. I can't do what these other guys do. So I appreciate you. Check you out next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, man. Every interaction that you have with my video helps me out, man. If you could just hit play on my playlist and walk away, I appreciate that, man. I really do. So I'll check you next time. Have a good one. See you later.